Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we are doing another Disney Movie Club unboxing. These are their bundle boxes. So when they have a new release come out for a big movie, they put together these really cool boxes. We've done one for Toy Story 4, and we did one for Marvel Avengers Endgame. So let's take a look at what we're doing. Oh, it's Frozen. Frozen 2. So if you have watched my channel before, I'm sure you will know that I'm not a big fan of Frozen. But we are a big fan of the Disney Movie Club and these boxes in particular. They are really cool and they keep changing a little bit. And let me explain that. So the first box that we ever got was Toy Story 4. It came with the new release movie, like 3 different discs and a digital copy. And then it comes with a bunch of like popcorn buckets and just cool stuff, blankets, that kind of thing. So that was awesome. So then we ordered the Endgame box. The Endgame box had a bunch of cool stuff and some giant fluffy hooded blanket sweatshirts and a bunch of cool stuff in there and no movie, which is weird because it's Disney Movie Club. This one came and this was next to it in the box that it came in. So it's not in the bundle box. They just included it. So I think that they may have got a lot of complaints that people spent, $80 on something that was just the stuff and not actually the movie. So I think for now they just stuck it in the same box like that and said, there you go. So hopefully the next ones will incorporate this back inside here again because I really like that. So either way, at least we got the movie. So that's all coming up right now. All right, so first of all, look at these. The boxes are built so cool, and they're like super shiny and glossy, and the artwork is amazing. Not much on the sides of this one, but then on the back, I mean, it looks like a painting. These are so cool. Nothing on the bottom. All right, let's jump in here and see what we got. Ready? Look at that picture. You can't hear me, can you? Look at that picture. That is so cool. I'll try and get some better pictures of these, of the box itself, because, man, it is really nice. All right, so first things first, all of them have this. It is a booster pin set of Frozen 2. Very cute. Let me get it out of the plastic so you can see it. All right, so these are actually really cute. So they almost have that, I don't know if you, well, I'm pretty old. They used to have these like kind of bubble stickers that were like foam and a little bit 3D. It kind of reminds me of that because they're like domed a little bit. And then they have the silver around the outside. I don't know if you can tell, but they're very cool. And I will throw them on the turntable so you can get a better look at them. Right, boop, there. They're nice. I love pins. And then coming up next, we've got plastic bags can be dangerous. Public service announcement. So this looks like a very cute postcard. Look at Olaf getting his snuggles on. Oh, very nice. All right, and then this is the way that they include. So this is a card that you can scan. I won't show you the back because they just scan it off the TV and steal my music. But you just pop it out of here and you can put it on your iPhone or Android. Very cool. I'm sure a grandkid will end up with that. All right. So now you can see this tray is empty. So let's pull that one out and see what's lurking below. All right. Oh boy. It took a page out of Magic at Your Doors box. Confetti! And it matches my shirt. See? Alright, so we've got popcorn buckets in here, which is always something they include, which is cool. Inside the popcorn bucket, for some reason. We have hand sanitizer, but it's really cute. It's got one of those like rubber holders that goes around it, so you can strap it onto your backpack and carry that with you, and it's got a picture of Olaf on it. And there's 2 of them. Look at those. Mary will actually really like these because we always have to figure out where to get them from when we go to Disney. And our next trip is to Tokyo Disney, and we will be using a lot of hand sanitizer on that trip. Alright, let's see what we got for popcorn buckets. Alright, so we got some little Frozen 2 popcorn buckets, and they're pretty sturdy. I mean, you can use them and wash them. I would definitely not put them in a dishwasher. What up, Olaf? So we got 2 of those, but it looks like there may be 2 more. But there's something in them. The weird thing is, we keep getting these, and they all have popcorn buckets, but they don't have popcorn. But this one has kettle popcorn seasoning and cheddar cheese popcorn seasoning. Just add popcorn. And it's got the little Frozen 2 logos on them. Throw a better picture up here. And then I'm assuming, yeah, so these are the... Yep, so they're all the same, but we got 4 of them. We have the corner market... We have the market cornered on popcorn buckets. Alright, so that level is empty. Now we'll pull out the next tray. Right, there's stuff inside this tray. Oh. We have something. Oh! Well, that's kind of cool. We're gonna get our California on. Alright, so we've got some really cool looking reusable straws. You can hear they're metal. And they have like this rainbow action going on. And a little tubey on the end of there. And when you get your pipes clogged, nice! That's really cool. Alright. We will definitely use those. And then, still in the bottom of this tray, we have got some car decals. So this might be tougher to show you because the decals are white on a white background. But, you know what, I'll put a picture up on the screen because you should be able to see who they are. Alright, so you can see you've got Sven, Kristoff, Olaf, Elsa, and Anna, and you can stick them to your car and make it so that people think that you have a reindeer in your family. Because it almost looks like one of those, you know, like mom, dad, kid. Kinda cute. When Camille is sleeping, I'm gonna put this on her new car. Alright, last but not least, this should be pretty cute. It's not last or least. We're gonna save this. See what this is. This looks like a bag with a drawstring on it. Alright, so we've got 2 bags with a vent hole in it. I don't understand. Do you see what that is? It's like mesh just in a little square. And it's got... The drawstrings are like... almost like backpack-ish. Like you could... And then slap it on your back, not your front. But I don't know why it's got a vent hole in the back. But I'm sure someone will explain it to me. Look at that. Sven, Kristoff, and Olaf. And then I have a feeling the other one might have Elsa and Anna on it. Elsa and Anna on it. You heard me. I got it. Maybe. Oh, for the love. Bless you. There it is, Elsa and Anna. And I opened it all by myself. Alright. So, these I could probably do without because I'm not even really sure what they are. It's definitely some kind of backpack bag with a vent hole. This is one of our favorite items every time. The brick. Ready? Alright. Man, I really hope this isn't those weird sweatshirts again. Oh, it's looking blanket-ish! Alright. Olaf! Super cute! Awesome! Check him out! CJ absolutely loves it when I do this stupid disappearing blanket trick because it takes him forever to edit. So, let's do it twice, shall we? Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh, nothing. Oh, that's cute too. I dig it. Got 2 comfy blankets. Very nice. Love you, CJ. Alright, so if you want to take a peek real quick at the inside, there's usually another picture at the bottom. I'm getting a shadow from somewhere. I don't know where. Very cute. I'll try and get a better picture of that for you. So, there you go. This is right about 80 bucks. And so it came with the movie this time. So, I mean, usually the movie's 30 bucks, 2 blankets, 20 bucks a piece, 25 usually in Disney. The straws, they're Disney straws. They've got to be at least 50 bucks a piece. Hand sanitizer, that's a good $100 hand sanitizer. And this cheddar cheese dust is actually made from gold. So it's a good bargain. But seriously, super cute. We have getting a collection of these and we really like them. We store extra, you know, like our Disney Christmas decorations in them and the ornaments and stuff. They're really sturdy and they look cute as a display. You don't have to hide them in the garage. You just leave them out and pack them full of stuff. So there you go. So if you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it is right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, the button's right here. Hope you're having a great day.